In light of this legal principle, what will Hernandez's official criminal record now show?
Maggie, his record will show, assuming the abatement goes forward, that he was not convicted of the crimes that he was actually convicted of. So his record won't be clear in the sense that there'll still be a record that he was charged with 2 sets of first-degree murder along with accompanying charges. But assuming abatement goes forward, and that process could take some time to play out, certainly the victims' families are going to contest it. But if it does go forward, the convictions themselves will be vacated from the record.
Okay, this is a question that has been hotly debated over the last few days. Now that Hernandez is deceased, do the Patriots owe him any money?
Maggie, I think the answer to that is no, and I say that for several reasons. First, as reported by Ben Volan of the Boston Globe, it appears that Hernandez and the Patriots reached a contractual settlement back in 2014. Although I haven't seen the settlement, in all likelihood, it contained finality language saying that, in essence, no matter what happens hereafter, this is the agreement we've come to about what the Patriots, if anything, owe Aaron Hernandez going forward. Setting aside that settlement, I think there are other aspects of this that would suggest the Patriots are within their rights not to pay anything to Hernandez. First off, they had a right to cut him. NFL teams can easily cut players. Hernandez was cut in the aftermath of being charged with first-degree murder. Clearly, the Patriots were within their rights to do so. There are other aspects of this that help the Patriots. When Hernandez signed his $40 million contract extension in August of 2012, it was 1 month after he allegedly shot 3 men in Boston, killing 2. Now, he was acquitted for that. But within his contract, as it's been reported, Hernandez pledged that he knew of no circumstances that would prevent him from performing the contract. Well, the month prior, he was involved in a shooting. Even if he wasn't the shooter, he would have known that he could have been charged with murder or charged as an accessory, so he wouldn't have signed the contract in good faith. And then the other aspect is this. Hernandez was in jail for most of this contract extension. Even if he had been acquitted of everything, he would have been in jail from 2013 through 2017, because while he's waiting trial for 2 sets of first-degree murder charges, he would have been jailed. If you're charged with first-degree murder, you're not out on bail. So, the logic of this is that he couldn't have performed his contract, and he also made assurances within the contract that he presumably knew were false.